Greetings Curveballs and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lisa and I like to do artistic eye looks and I do palettes. For the entire month of June, as you may have noticed, all of my uploads have been artistic eye looks because I belong to a wonderful collaborative group that likes to think outside the box, find different holidays like our National Donut Day or National Goth Day, and the month of June, I believe, is Pink Month. I'll insert it somewhere on the screen. Today's video is a group collaborative effort in which we all go all pink. I could have just done a nice pink smoky eye or a pink cut crease, and I've always been wanting to try a butterfly look. I veered away from it because I thought it was a little too intense, but after watching quite a few tutorials, I thought you'll never know until you try. So I went ahead and created this monarch butterfly look, albeit pink, and you should try to do it too. But before you do, don't forget to tap subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and throw me a thumbs up if you love the color pink, and throw me a thumbs up if you like the color black. They're opposite, so you've got to like one or the other. Let's get into the video. I've been wanting to do a butterfly look for some time, so I figured that this pink theme is probably the perfect time to start. First, I'm gonna withdraw all my favorite colored palettes. And the first thing I'm gonna do is sketch the wing out with a pointer pencil brush. Dipping into Licorice and Raspberry from my Jeffree Star palette. All right, now's the time to hold your breath and try to trace the main wing. I'm gonna go over it with the Epic Wear liquid liner. The good thing about butterfly wings is that just like a snowflake, none of them look exactly alike. You see some of the parts on the wings are thicker and some are thinner, so it may work to your benefit if you can't get it perfect. Because I have deep set eyes and wrinkles, I'm going to use my tape to mark off the bottom portion of the wing so I can get a nice straight line. I have to cheat. And again, anything you don't get perfect can always be cleaned up with concealer, so I'm not too worried about that. And I'm gonna give that a chance to dry, and then I'm going to take a nice crease cutting brush, and I'm gonna clean up the inside of the butterfly wing. Go ahead and white out the inner portion of our work. So for the inner portion of the eye, we're going to go into the shade Jawbreaker, make this white and open. And the next shade we're going to use in this palette is Snack, which is a very pale pink. Go into the shade Bubblegum and put a little bit of matte up top here. If I were to do this again, I would have started with the matte, so there's that. So let's go into Raspberry and Cherry Wet. Cherry Wet first, Raspberry on the very outer corner. In the very outer corner, I'm going to use the shimmer and what? And in the center, we're going in with Cotton Candy. The pinkest pink of them all. Let's bring back some more Snack. And finally, some Jawbreaker. And then it is time to go back to black. The outer corner of the butterfly wing, I'm going to do a C-shaped scoop and fill it in. Depending on your eye shape, this is the most incredibly difficult part. I've got so many different creases and bumps in my eye. I've already had some transfer on my lid due to my eye shape. This is by far the hardest part for me, this right side inner corner. My nose is just in the way. But if I can make my wobbly hands look like a contoured butterfly wing, that would be
fantastic.
Every now and then you just gotta take a break to breathe.
So the hardest part is over. After this dries, then I'm gonna grab my NYX white eyeliner and a bobby pin. A lot of people have those nail art tools to draw dots. I have a bobby pin. So I'm gonna put some of this NYX white eyeliner, touch the eyeliner with it. There, 2 at one time. I have a NYX ballpoint eyeliner, and I'm just gonna draw some black dots in the pink. Give a little bit more dimension to the outer corners. Now is the time to grab your concealer, in which case I'm gonna go with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer because it's the most full coverage that I have, and clean up any of the lines that are not perfect to you, which in my case is quite a bit. It'll be okay. Okay, I am gonna go ahead and get on my lashes and my face makeup, and we'll be back to do something with the lower lash line. I put on a natural like wispy lash, that way you could see the work on the eyes. And I was playing around my Milani eyeliner, it's like a felt marker. And I was thinking to make the eyes look a little bit wing-like, because I don't feel like doing the whole bottom wing today, because I do have to go pick up my son from the airport. And I have not seen him in 9 months. He's 18 and he moved back to Texas because he didn't like Tennessee very much, and he's spending the entire summer with me, so I'm super excited to see him. But I'm also
not wanting to walk into the airport looking like I just came back from the Renaissance Festival.
All right, so I put that eyeliner a little bit below my lash line because I'm going to take a pink eyeliner. I'm just gonna color in from the waterline to the black line. Black eyeshadow, any black eyeshadow will do. All right, now last step for the eyes. I just want to touch up anywhere that my black has transferred and apply some shimmer in the corresponding places that may have received some unwanted attention. I'm just gonna finish this off by taking my Bright Vibes palette by Violet Voss and take my Boombox shade, which is the hot pink, and gently sweep it under the black. And this is the final look for my pink themed butterfly eye makeup. The ladies that you will be checking out down below will be Amofa, Anya, Bree, Candace, Rae, Rachael, Samantha, Shelly, Tara, and Tiffany. All of their names and their actual channel names are linked down below. We also have a playlist that you can go to if you'd like to see all of the Stinkin' Pink videos in celebration of National Pink Day. Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future crazy eye looks. That is a wrap for me, Curveballs. Thank you so much for joining me the entire month of June. If you have seen all of my artistic eye looks from the donut look all the way to today's pink butterfly, really appreciate your views, your comments, the love, and don't forget to go down below and check out all of the other videos from all of the other beautiful contenders in this collaborative effort. You will not be disappointed. And until next time, Curveballs, stay curvy and stay charismatic, and I'll see you in a week. Bye!